Hey there YouTube, today's Thursday, the 27th of June 2019. It's about 12:34 in the afternoon, and we are at Good Hope Lake, and you can see the mountains around here. Big thing to notice out in this lake, you see the green in the water, and then as we go this way, look over here, there's an island. As I try to back up here, an island out there in the water, and you can see the greenery, the green in the water, or hopefully you can. But I think that's pretty cool. This lake's got green quite a bit all the way around it, so there's some kind of mineral or chemical or something that's, of course, making it that way. But it's very nice scene as you drive down to it, and it's a pretty good sized island. Let me see if I can get a little different view for you. All right, so right here is a better view for you, I think. You can see some of the island out there, some more of the water through the trees, and then of course that green as I walk down through here. Isn't that green nice? I think that's a cool scene. But anyway, this is the Cassiar Highway that we're still on. This is where we're at, so this is Good Hope. Not too much around here, but that's the way that we came from. And you can see the mountains up here too. I mean, this looks so much like Colorado, it's not even funny. See those mountains back there with the clouds all hovering on top of them, everything. So, this is at least part of it. Finally found something, I'll be honest with you. Cassiar Highway is 450 miles of what pretty much looks like just woods on just both sides of the road, a little skinny road like this, for at least the last half of it. First half's a little bit wider, but looks the same on the sides. And there's really not much to see or do. So I'm glad that I was able to bring this here to you. Alright, I'll see you on whatever the next clip's going to be. Alright YouTube, for our next clip, where are we at? You guessed it, we're in the Yukon. Larger than life plus grand Q nature. I don't even know what that means, but that's what it says. Let me show you. Some people put on some stickers right here. Explore more outdoors. Tree per mile, pageant, QBG, the roaming van. Some of these I can't even read. Live the rush. Infinite adventure. Trans-seating. RVing to Alaska. Kayak ski patrol. Dead Horse, Washington. And there's a picture of some guy up there. But here, just to show you that I'm really here. There it is. Hopefully that's coming through. Show you a little bit that way, show you a little bit that way. And here's what the road looks like from up here. That's going into the Yukon. You can see the change of the road right there. Right over there's a little Highway 37 Junction Highway. And that sign over there you see with the flag says, "Welcome to British Columbia," which we just left. And down there's the FJ and the Red Dragon to prove it. Alright, all you Red Dragon fans. Here's the Red Dragon sitting out here, enjoying a nice cool breeze. And where are they at? You know they're on some crazy adventure, but we don't know where they're at. Let's see if we can find out together. As we pull back from the Red Dragon sitting at a post. What does that post say? Oh yeah, the Red Dragons, they are in the Yukon. Look at them, just hanging out at the sign, living life in the breeze. Here, we'll get them that way. You can see some of the road down there. See the road and the Yukon sign. And that's what the Red Dragons are doing today on June the 27th, 2019. They have made it to the Yukon. So, what do we say? We say congratulations, Dragons, for making it. You did a fantastic job. I wonder where you'll show up next. All right, so go along in our Yukon adventure here, just to show you. There's the Red Dragon there with the FJ, and you can see the sign up there in the distance. So we've got that. So that's pretty cool. There's the road leading into the Yukon. And you see we got this Highway 37 junction right there, the little green monster over there. And then the welcome to the British Columbia, Canada sign. The best place on earth. I would say that's not true, but hey, that's just me. Alright, and the sky's finally clear. It's been really gray and cloudy all day. Getting much nicer. So there's this one last look of us entering the Yukon. This is the Nisutlin Bridge. If I remember right, I read it in a book a few days ago or something. I believe this is like the second longest bridge in the Yukon. So that's it out there in the distance. We'll actually be driving over it here in a few minutes and see about getting some video that way too. Alright, so stay tuned with me and let's get this thing closer. Alright, so this is the bridge I just shot on that last clip. So let's go across this thing. It's Nisutlin Bay, and it's metal on the flooring, and the bridge itself is metal, you can see. See the flooring down there, hopefully, or right there. That's off to the side. Okay. Hey, look at the moose over there playing.
Oh, that's cool. Pictures of that.
It's a little bit bumpy. Diesel.